Community partnerships in schools and early childhood programs always need to stay in touch to keep updated on new programs and up-to-date screenings occurring in the community. There's help around every corner in the community. People want to see children healthy, happy, and getting the best education they can receive. The children can't receive the best education if they are not getting the extra help they may need to develop into the best person they can be. Local community centers have brochures and flyers. Look at local grocery stores on their bulletin boards. In your child's classroom, there should be flyers with local doctors, dentists, health departments, food banks that parents can walk into for help. Teachers can add local community supporters in the monthly newsletter that is given to parents. Have everything updated and readily available for your parents when they ask for help.